Hello everybody, how are you doing staying at home? Are you getting bored? Have you run out of cooking ideas? I've got just the thing for you today. So I do a lot of cooking. I've developed a line of salsas. I don't know if you know me. If you do, then you definitely know that I've come out with salsas and hot sauces that are in stores. But the ones that don't know me, I've cooked a bunch of different stuff, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade enchiladas. The meat that I'm using today is ground deer. Now you could use ground hamburger, you could use brisket, you could use chicken. So there's a number of different ways that you can make these. I'm using corn tortillas. You could use flour, but that's awfully thick, and corn tortillas just work better. So I'm going to show you how to put this together real quick. You can even use leftover meat. Even a rotisserie chicken. I wouldn't suggest the rotisserie chickens that you buy, but if you do have one, then you can just debone it and use the chicken off of that. There's a lot of health reasons why you shouldn't buy those rotisserie chickens. But anyway, so we're not going to go into that. We're going to go into making enchiladas. It's very quick and easy. I've got the ground deer. I use coconut oil to put in my pan to lightly cook each tortilla. Then we've got some green chilies and some sour cream, some spinach, a little bit of onion, and then we're going to use some just cheddar cheese, and then we're going to use Scott's Gourmet Salsa. This is the savory version here. This is my favorite here, but so we're going to use that. And first we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I've already got my oil heating here for my tortillas, and what you want to do really is just lightly cook the tortillas to where they just start to bubble, but they don't even turn brown. And so it's real quick. You get it on just a little over medium on the oven, and this one's already sizzling pretty good. So we're going to flip that over. If you notice, that was maybe 35 seconds. Okay, it's already bubbling again. You don't want to make these tortillas too brown because you want to roll these. Oops. And you can't roll it very well if it's really cooked like a tostada. Another question is that, do you know that you can order the salsa and hot sauce online, and I can ship it to you? It's scottsgourmetsalsa.com. I also have a lot of recipes that I use the salsa in different foods, and the website has all those videos. It's probably not going to be quite as boring as this one here because it's kind of lengthy. Now usually on the coconut oil I put in this pan is just enough to really cover the bottom. It's not like the tortilla is swimming in the coconut oil. Now what I've done with the hamburger meat is I've just used some basic taco seasoning that I mix together. I don't buy the store-bought stuff because you can't control all this stuff that goes in it. So I just use a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, chili powder, paprika, and a little bit of salt to go in there. Okay, as we finish the last tortilla here, we're going to mix all this together. I usually use a pretty big bowl here. We're going to dump the green chilies in there. Oh, that makes it good there. We're going to get a bunch of sour cream. Again, this is really to your liking, but I'm going to use really, really big spoonfuls. There, that should be good. right. We're just going to mix it all together here. So how many of you know how to roll enchiladas or ever done it before? It's not that hard. Sometimes you end up tearing them, but after a little bit of practice, you'll know exactly how much to put in each one of them, because you want to roll it tight. But not overfilled. All right. What I'm going to do, make a little assembly station here, just like this. Oh yeah, if you don't know already by now, be sure and wash your hands. Ha ha. I'm going to probably take some of these over to my parents. They're getting a little old and they love TV dinners. Well, I think my dad does them more than my mom. And that's terrible for your health. But he also likes really bad cafeteria food too. So his taste in food is not quite what mine is. So I'm going to take him. He loves this. I have this handy little Salad Master shredder here. Okay, what we're going to do is use Hatch green chili sauce. This one is the mild, but you can use medium or the hot, whatever your preference is. That sure is some good chilies though. Put that right here and just turn until we get enough cheese. Later. Okay, there we go. We're going to put it in the oven. 30 minutes. There we go. Ready to eat. So try some of this at home with any leftover meat or freshly cooked meat. If you'd like the salsa, go to scottsgourmetsalsa.com. Hope this helps out with something to do at home while you're self-quarantined. Yeah. And we'll see you next time.